Difference between business model and revenue model. The business model and revenue model are two critical components of a company's overall strategy, but they serve different purposes. A business model is a comprehensive framework that outlines how a company plans to create, deliver, and capture value in the market. It encompasses various aspects such as the target market, value proposition, distribution channels, key resources, and cost structure. Essentially, the business model describes how the company intends to operate and sustain itself in the long term. On the other hand, the revenue model specifically focuses on how the company generates income and profits. It details the methods and sources through which revenue is generated, such as through product sales, subscription fees, advertising, licensing, or other means. The revenue model is a subset of the broader business model, as it primarily deals with the monetization aspect. In summary, while the business model sets the foundation for the company's overall strategy and operations, the revenue model provides a more specific roadmap for achieving financial success by outlining the direct pathways to revenue generation. The business model defines the business, while the revenue model defines how it makes money. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video.